The United Kingdom is now the second worst affected country in Europe, with the death toll surging past Spain and France. Faced with huge pressure to contain the virus spread, Boris Johnson is now holding a cabinet meeting over UK's coronavirus response. A day after he became father, Prime Minister Johnson is leading a meeting with top ministers of his cabinet to discuss the exit plan and gradual easing of social restrictions that are imposed to contain the spread of this virus. The government has also decided to publish new coronavirus data where deaths in all settings, including nursing homes, will be considered. In Wales, 4,300 died in the last 2 weeks. However, among them, almost a quarter were in day care homes.
165,221 people have tested positive, and that's an increase of 4,076 cases on yesterday's number. Now, as the Health Secretary announced yesterday, from today we're moving to an improved daily reporting system for deaths, so that deaths in all settings are included wherever the individual has tested positive for COVID-19, rather than just those in hospitals.
The United Kingdom is seeing a sudden and a sharp rise in the official death toll and infections after changing the methodology to obtain its data. In the last 24 hours, more than 4,000 people were tested positive for the virus, taking the total number of infections to more than 165,000. This decision comes after weeks of criticism for publishing only hospital deaths and excluding deaths in daycare homes. The UK government has also published new guidance sheet to tackle the coronavirus pandemic. It is being recommended for citizens to wear protective gear at most times and ensure social distancing of 2 meters at all public spaces. Despite demands of easing lockdown measures, UK is yet to have concrete exit plan to relax the restrictions.
And those figures show that up to yesterday on the new measure, we have recorded an additional 3,811 deaths in total. And I think it's just important to say that those additional deaths were spread over the period from the 2nd of March to the 28th of April. So they don't represent a sudden surge in the number of deaths.
As of now, the lethal coronavirus has infected over 165,000 people. More than 26,000 people have died, and around 138,000 are being treated across the United Kingdom. Close to 818,000 people have undergone tests, but the government continues to increase testing rapidly to identify clusters and contain the spread of the virus.